Other new arrivals, the 1965 Lincoln Continental Convertible, black over white, 94,000 actual miles, 430 cubic inch, 4-barrel V8, meticulous resto, and the Lincoln Drive automatic, which was, they were branding transmissions back then. They were calling them the Lincoln Drive.
Yeah, all
like
kinds
that was
of
going to be smoother than
Fordomatic.
the Fordomatic and the Chrysler had
Power
Glide,
Torque Flight,
Turbohydromatic. That was a long word for a Turbohydromatic.
That's why we abbreviate it.
TH, we like to say. And this 65 Lincoln Continental Convertible, knew everything. I mean, everything is just redone and new and really wonderfully done.